Let's learn how to find the mass number of an element. The mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom's nucleus. Let's understand this by looking at the structure of an atom. At the center of every atom is the nucleus, which contains protons and neutrons. Surrounding the nucleus are electrons, which orbit in shells. For finding the mass number, we only need to focus on the particles in the nucleus, the protons and neutrons. The formula for finding the mass number is simple. The mass number A equals Z plus N, where Z is the atomic number of protons, and N is the number of neutrons. The atomic number Z is the number of protons, which you can find on the periodic table. Then you just need to add the number of neutrons N. Let's solve an example using carbon-13. Carbon always has 6 protons, so Z equals 6. This particular isotope has 7 neutrons, so N equals 7. Therefore, the mass number A equals 6 plus 7, which gives us 13. And that's how you find the mass number of an element. Remember, just add the number of protons and neutrons together. The proton number you can find from the periodic table, and the neutron number will either be given to you or can be calculated from the isotope information.